FORDA has again relaunched its strike and protest over the Kolkata horror, in which a Kolkata resident, a trainee doctor, lost her life after being allegedly raped and murdered inside the hospital premises. These are the members of FODA. Sir, please introduce yourself and what is the outcome you want from these protests?
I am Dr. Manish. I am the member of FUDA Governing Council. Our demand is very clear. We want justice for Abhya. The crime which has happened in Kolkata is not at all acceptable. It's a heinous crime, and the culprit, whoever so is the culprit, has to be hanged till death.
अभी जिसका खून न खोला खून नहीं वो पानी है We want justice. We want justice.
We want proper protection of the doctors in the hospital. डॉक्टर को कोई हाथ नहीं लगाएगा. जब ड्यूटी पर डॉक्टर है, डॉक्टर को कोई हाथ नहीं लगाएगा. ये 102% है, 200% है. हर डॉक्टर अपना ईमानदारी से काम करता है.
Our peacefully doctors are being attacked. There is a total loss of law and order machinery in Bengal. We urge our president, we urge our prime minister that the Bengal government should be immediately sacked. The president rule should be imposed, and the doctors and women who has been murdered and raped, she should be given a justice by the law and order enforcement there.
It is a protest against the safety of women in our country. Every day there are hundreds of women there. They are getting raped, killed by the rapist.
Justice can be denied. बंद करो ये अत्याचार. Doctors can be given. बंद करो ये अत्याचार.
सिक्योरिटी नहीं थी. मैं कहती हूँ वो सेमिनार रूम में गई सोने. अस्पताल ही तो था. अस्पताल ही था. कोई सड़क पे तो नहीं सो रही थी. वो कैसे घुसे, कैसे हिम्मत पड़ी उसको रेप करने की और ऐसे मारने की. जब वो चिल्लाई होगी, मारा होगा, आवाजें नहीं गई होंगी. नहीं गई होंगी बाहर आवाजें. तो किसी ने क्यों नहीं सुनी वो आवाजें? क्यों नहीं सुनी वो आवाजें? द प्रिंसिपल शुड बी हेल्ड रिस्पॉन्सिबल. द सिक्योरिटी शुड बी हेल्ड रिस्पॉन्सिबल.
अभी जिसका खून न खोला खून नहीं वो पानी है. अभी जिसका खून न खोला खून नहीं वो पानी है. We want justice. We want justice.
As a medical professional, what all changes do you want inside the hospital infrastructure?
It should have security, proper tight security, especially when we are having late night shifts. That is the only thing. We should have proper security, because if we are not secure in our duty, then where are we secure? You know.
The first and most important thing is we want protection at the workplace for sure. We are working, we are serving the society, serving all the mankind, and this is the cruel treatment we are getting from the common man. One more thing, apart from the doctor, she's a lady doctor, this has occurred. In the Nirbhaya account, we all, the whole public of Delhi and all over India came together.
Calcutta High Court also said that while handing over the case to CBI, it said that it reminded doctors of their pious obligation, right? So, on the contrary, IMA has launched a nationwide strike and withdrawn essential services for 24 hours. How do you see that? How it will impact the patients?
It's not that the hospital or the medical services are totally shut down. It's not that. It is only that we have to create some pressure for the justice or the CBI to hasten its action. So that is only. We are not like we will not serve the nation. We will be, we will be serving our purpose. We will be serving our profession. But at the same time, we have to pressurize the government to hasten its action.
Doctors are also demanding for Central Protection Act. How will it change if the bill becomes an act? How will it change a doctor's life, especially a women doctor's life?
Definitely, this Central Protection Act has been a long pending demand, and put, putting this Central Protection Act into existence make these vulnerable profession, that is medical professional, a barrier to the manhandling and the violence that has been happening with them ever since. And since we do not have any kind of regulation stating that if you do violence or you misbehave with a doctor on duty, there has to be some kind of because it is a very difficult state handling the top of the emotions. definitely there has to be some kind of special act for such kind of job. And once this act comes into existence, women who have to face such kind of difficult situation, it will be a it will definitely be a blanket to them.
their
We
positions.
urge the civil society
Yeah,
to
as a
join us.
yes.
ये एक बेटी की अस्मिता की, बेटी की सुरक्षा की है। हर जगह बेटियां हमारी सुरक्षित हो रही हैं, लेकिन बंगाल जैसा उदाहरण अगर ये सेट हो गया, वहां की सरकार को इमीडिएटली डिसमिस करके एक मैसेज जाना चाहिए, जो बेटियों की सुरक्षा नहीं कर सकता उसको रूल करने का कोई अधिकार नहीं है, और खासकर एक महिला मुख्यमंत्री को।
So these were the members of FORDA who are protesting against, or who are protesting over Kolkata horror, in which a 31-year-old trainee doctor lost her life after being allegedly raped and murdered inside the hospital premises.